Let's cut straight to the
What?
chase here. We're dancing around the issue, the main point. Stop beating around the bush. When are you going to be a live streamer?
Probably never, because I don't know.
Excuse me. Why do you doubt yourself?
It's not like that.
What's the problem then? You afraid?
Why would I be afraid?
Okay, what's the problem then?
There's no problem, but I don't know. Probably I'm gonna do it. But why you keep telling people that they should be live streamers?
I only tell it to people that I see potential in. I don't say it to everybody.
You're kind of motivating me to become one.
I don't just tell anyone to be a live streamer. If they need work on their confidence, they need work on their speaking skills, I say, look, you need to work on that, and then maybe you can be a live streamer.
Well, that's kind of motivating because I find it interesting to be a live streamer. But I think there are a lot of competent people who are already live streamers and they're doing their job perfectly.
What do they have to do with you?
I don't know, but I have to do something in you, something particular, unique that no one
Get creative.
has.
Get into your creative zone. Get thinking. Get brainstorming. Get a whiteboard out. Start working.
Oh my God, that's
Yes. You have your excuse for everything, Medina? I can't. I got to do this. Well, do it.
all right.
You need a whiteboard? Here, you have mine. You need my whiteboard? Here you go.
Oh, people wouldn't join my live stream
Why do you got to be so negative? Why are you so pessimistic about it?
because I have trust issues.
Your attitude and your approach is already wrong. You got to change that. You got to change your outlook on life if you want to be successful. If you want to be number one and you want to be the face of HelloTalk, you got to work hard, Medina, okay?
All right, I will try to.